Alam ko, overwhelming to. Pero sobrang dali lang gamitin ng TopCare 4-in-1 Multi-Monitoring Meter. Wala pang 5 minutes. Perfect to sa mga taong gustong maging mindful sa health at mag-pay attention sa mga kondisyon nila without the hassle. Sabi nga, awareness is key. Kapag alam natin yung number, madaling mag-control, madaling mag-adjust. So anyway, kung ayaw nyo magbasa ng manual, don't worry. Ipapakita ko kung gaano siya kadali gamitin. Step 1. Prep the hand of the patient pati na mag-a-administer kung itetest mo sarili mo. That's okay. Step 2. Buksan ang lancing device at tagyan ang lancet, insert sa slot, then remove yung rounded part. Ibalik yung cover, then adjust yung dial depende kung gaano kalalim yung pag-prick. Kung makapal yung balat, go for the higher numbers. Then, prime the lancet, hilain papunta sa'yo yung dulong part. Kapag naging red na yung button, ready na yan for later. Step 3. Pili na ng test strip na gagamitin. In this case, let's go for cholesterol. Buksan lang ang bottle, get one strip. Kunin yung multimeter device, insert the strip part ng strip sa left part ng device. Double check the test code. Dapat if cholesterol, number 13 yung nasa bottle, kaya dapat yun din ang nasa screen. Kung hindi, adjust the number using the button sa taas, left to decrease at right to increase. Step 4. Position the lancet sa thumb. Inhale and click the button. Once ma-release, make sure you get enough and place it sa ilalim, dapat makover yung white part sa end ng strip. Automatically, magka-countdown yung device. Step 5. Wait for the result. Kung lumabas yung ER5, ibig sabihin, kulang yung nilagay mo. You need to get a sample ulit. Prep the lancet and go for it again. Don't worry, mabilis naman yan gumaling. Once done, dispose the lancet and strip properly. Since 200 plus yung nakuha na result, meaning mataas pala yung cholesterol ko at the moment. Normal baseline for adult is dapat less than 200. This device only gives the total. Need magpa-lab for detailed cholesterol. Kailangan ko nang magkaroon ng balanced diet and exercise regularly. Kung masyadong mataas, schedule a checkup ASAP. Tandaan na hindi substitute ang regular testing sa diagnosis, pero makakatulong ito sa awareness at monitoring ng kondisyon mo. Madali lang, di ba? Test yourself now. With TopCare, you can track daily to live fully. Click the link in bio to invest in a set.